Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Snapchat and your device settings. This gives you direct control. First, in Snapchat, tap your profile, then the gear icon to access app settings. Once done, scroll to notifications to see app-level options. Make sure the account shown is the one you want to modify. If not, sign out and sign in. This prevents changing the wrong profile. Now that both Snapchat and device settings are accessible, you're ready to toggle specific notification types. You'll adjust which Snapchat alerts you receive by toggling specific options. In Snapchat's notifications, turn off Story, Snap, or Chat alerts one by one so only essential items remain. Once done, enable quiet mode to pause all pushes for a set time without changing settings permanently. Also disable sound, vibration, or badges if you still want passive alerts. This granular approach stops interruptions while preserving functionality you still need, and it keeps control reversible. Finish by enforcing device-level notification rules. Open your phone settings, find apps, select Snapchat, and disable notifications to stop everything. If you still get alerts, clear Snapchat's cache or reinstall the app. This often fixes stuck push tokens. Once done, verify Do Not Disturb and any battery or notification optimization settings that can override your choices. If problems persist, log out and back in, as Account Sync can reset notification preferences and resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.